Good morning, guys. How we doing? Morning, Khaled, Albu, Martin, Nima, Casper. Looks like there's a whole 6 of us in here right now. Morning, Dave. Welcome, Ollie. I started packing up everything in my house and my energy levels are a little drained. Well, CPI was a move down and then a full retrace. I don't know if any of you guys caught that or not. I saw Kevin caught the lows. I didn't trade it. I am going to trade a combine today just because of CPI / internet reliability issues. So, sue me. I'm just not trusting anything right now. My internet appears to be good currently, but we'll see how that goes throughout the stream. Thanks for writing to you while you were in prison last night. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you still gotta do your household duties, Nima. Still gotta maintain the household duties, brother. Don't upset the girlfriend. I feel you, though. Like, I've got a lot of household chores I have to take care of over the next few days. So what's my read today? I'm gonna wait on the open to see if we can get this move back down into this 840 to 860 area. If we're holding above this level and treat it as support, I'll be long, and I'm thinking the next target to the north side is probably the tops of these wicks up here. That would be the next area I would look to be shorting. The break above this level is pretty key in my opinion for move back up into here. So that will be my read on the day. Any failures back below this level, we're probably heading further downside. So that's my read on the day. So this level is key. Morning, Phoenix. Welcome. I know it's not morning for you, but actually, how's your sleep pattern, Phoenix? It's got to be all sorts of jacked up. Yeah, I bet. Because what is it? It's pretty late. It's evening in India right now, isn't it? Is a bit concerned with the crown he's running around with in here, Dave. Yeah, Nima. Dang, Phoenix, you're living like a uni or college student, if that's your sleep pattern. My sleep pattern is generally asleep by 11 o'clock p.m. to midnight, wake up at 6 a.m. Like clockwork, every day. Been that way for years. Out of spite, no trading today. Yeah, I mean, this move makes sense. Like, the only way that I can take a short is if we're back down below this area and holding below. It needs to be below 840 and holding below for me to look for shorts. Otherwise, I'm long only. Uh-oh, there's the first latency right at the open. We'll see what happens here. My fingers are crossed that the stream survives. Make the candles a little bit bigger for you guys. All right, let's see what happens. A little hard to take a trade this early in the session, but I might do it. Well, it looks like I missed it. Morning, Michael. I should have just hit it. Should have just punched it. Problem is, entering up here, you're taking all sorts of heat if it does want to dip back into that 850 area. I'm going to be patient here, guys. I'm going to wait. Just don't trust it yet. All right. We are holding. Starting to see a lot of selling up here. All this red. All right, now we're seeing some buying. Let's try it. Stop below 50. Stopped out. Probably should have waited for the VWAP test. Yeah, Ollie, it's pretty volatile right now. See what happens. I like how it's holding up. I just don't know if I can withstand the sliding action. I think if we come back down to 840 and hold, I might try it. There's a lot of buying going on, a little bit of selling. This seems to be a draw up here at 890. I'll try it again. Let's just target the highs. Put my stop in just in case. Wanted to see more push. Probably get stopped out here. Yep, stopped out. I still like it. I think we do get that push. I just don't know how much chop we have in here before we decide. All right, there's VWAP. I'm glad I put my stop in. I'm basically flat on the day now. Yeah, Dave, I mean, it's hard not to have your hand on the button. It is hard. All right, there's the VWAP bounce. All right, I'm punching it. It's a pretty strong recovery. I'd like to see more follow through instead of just getting chopped up here. Probably get stopped. Stopped again. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, I know, Ollie. I'm on a combine, though, so it's not like... And now I'm up on the day, even. I mean, just so you know, I am up on the day. I'm thinking the move is up. I just don't want to miss it because I think it's going to be quick. I just don't know if they want to run these lows first, is the only problem. Like, we're not able to hold below this 840. We keep reclaiming it. I would need to see the strong push down in order to flip my bias. Let's see if they want to come back into this 730 and test these lows of CPI. Well done, Nima. Sorry, I'm not paying attention to the chat. I've realized a part of the reason why I've been struggling on the live streams is I've been too zoned in on the chat. Entirely too zoned in on the chat and missing moves. So if I miss something that you guys put in the chat, I'm sorry. I'm trying to be a better trader on these live streams. That's not true. I care what you guys have to say. I just have to trade still. I mean, if I just wanted to hang out, I wouldn't even do the live streams. I'd be in Discord the whole day. You know? But I mean, I have to trade. And there's a lot going on this end. That's what you guys tune in for. You tune in to see me trade, right? Or do you tune in to see me talk? I mean, do you want me to turn it into a podcast? I'm not sure. CPI came in. It was actually a good read on all but I think maybe the month over month. I don't know. I didn't look at the exact figures, but from what I saw, it was a decent print. I agree, Tenor. A podcast is a real bad idea. I mean, people tune in to see me trade. That's what they tune in for. So what do I need to do? I need to trade. And not consistently just be reading the chat. Jeez, price is sliding around. Let's see. ES is coming into support. Actually, it hit support. It's trying to hold. ES ran its CPI lows. NQ is a ways away from that. Nimkins, I mean, they can talk. You guys talk to each other in the chat more than you talk to me. You can type all you want where price is right now. I can read the chat all I want. I'm not taking a trade around here. I'm not going to get chopped around VWAP. My next level that I'll be looking at is 710 to 730. See what happens. Or if we get back above 840, 850 and are holding up here. Oh, Mason, welcome. You haven't missed much. I mean, it looks like the stream's doing okay so far, guys. That's a good sign. I haven't had a whole lot of latency issues, or at least I think. I'm not sure if it's glitched on your guys' end. Mason, I completely unplugged my router last night and let it sit there for a half an hour. And then plugged it back in, and everything seems okay right now. I'm getting full signal. The extender seems to be working. That's all I've done. Unplugged the modem, let it sit there and rest for a half an hour, and plugged it back in. That's all I've done. Oh, and by the way, I tried calling tech, How about the entire eastern part of the United States? All the techs for AT&T are on strike right now. How's that for timing? So they don't know when they can get a tech out. And apparently negotiations are not going well with AT&T corporate. It's crazy. It's crazy. Like I said, the stream is cursed. The stream is cursed. I don't know. It seems like this move is inevitable at this point. It would be really nasty for them to reverse this back up from here. It would be extremely nasty. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. Appreciate all of you. Oh, Mason, are you trading the My Funded Futures evaluation today? Yeah, let me know how that goes. I'm curious. I am curious. Okay, NQ, do something here. Get away from VWAP, please. I kind of want to see price sweep these lows, the news lows, and see if we recover. Unfortunately, there just was nothing clean in here to hop on the short for me. I suppose an 870 short was probably the cleanest thing we got as far as a break and retest goes. Stream's kind of light today. Looks like we got 17 people in here watching right now. You take one day off and a lot of people disappear. No days off allowed. Yeah, Mason, it's pretty ugly right now. I'm sure it will get a move eventually. I just don't know when that's going to happen. It seems like there's a lot of indecision. I'd like for the sweep down here. You know, draw up some of this liquidity to see what happens first. Here we go. Well, that's definitely not where I wanted price to stop. If you guys remember yesterday, my level was 740 to 720. And I moved it down because of this CPI low. And that 740 bounce was good for 40 points. And counting. Nice trade, Albu. Yeah, you definitely have turned into quite the perma-bear these days. I don't think I've seen you take a long position in, I don't know, a couple months. But I can't confirm downside yet. You would need to sweep and be holding below these CPI lows for me to confirm the downside. I mean, GG's for catching that. Yeah, but I don't know. I mean, yes, we're overpriced, but I mean, even looking at the daily, we still got a ways to go before you can call the bull run over. I mean, this is up. Still up. It would need to break these lows in order to really have a flush. Let me see, where's the yeah, I mean, we're just trading in between. We're just trading in between the daily 100 and the daily 200 SMA. Below here, it could get violent. 100%. But this could just be another down move for another move back up. Oh, did you just say the word, Albu? Did you just say seasonality? You just said the word. It's gonna be like this until probably November with the election. Seasonality. I mean, let's face it, we're day traders. Seasonality, that's for the swing traders and investors. We trade what the charts give us. Oh, guys, nothing to do here. I mean, getting involved here, you're just kind of asking for chop. I need to see the sweep of these news lows and see if we reclaim and hold, or if we hold below 710 for the move back down into 600. So until then, we do nothing. Back. While we're just hanging here, I'm going to take a little bathroom break. I'll be right back. 10 hertz seasonality is for gardening. Technicals are for trading. Yeah, I agree. Well, especially when you're a day trader. Like when you're intraday. Yeah, you really are paying attention to season. Now we're trading what the levels are saying. Intraday. I've seen too many traders have a bias that, you know, either the market's going down or going up because of what's happening in the overall economy, and they get ran over, and then they're swearing and they wonder why they're getting ran over, and it's like, well, you're not paying attention to the intraday movement. That's why. You just have a bias, you're sticking to it, and you're either punching long or punching short based on that bias. I really wish NQ would just sweep these lows already and not just putz around here. ES looks like it wants 54.40. It would be probably a bounce spot. 54.42, 43, somewhere in there. Hey Chase, welcome. Yeah, everything's good. Hope everything's good with you too. Yeah, Chase, I'm currently up $155 today. I am trading a combine today because I just didn't trust price, didn't trust my internet. Rather than wrecking a fresh XFA, I'm not gonna trade it today. So if I end up passing this combine, I will just, I guess if I wreck the live stream XFA, I'll just activate this one. Guys, if you wanted to, I guess you could throw a level up here at 930 to 910. I'm not going to throw it on my charts, but... Morning, Chuck. Got about 15 minutes till initial balance is set. Oh, there's your standard 10-point bounce off the level. All right, let's see what happens here. There's the sweep. We got weekly point of control, current week's point of control sitting at 650. I think Sanders called out that level. Oh, Sanders, you're still short from 850? Yeah, that's nice. That's a good trade. You're working on a 200 plus pointer there. Hey, nobody respond to Nimkins right now. Not a single person. Nobody respond to Nimkins right now. Chase. Yeah, Sanders, tell him. Oh, man. Yeah. Or is it 14K now? Yeah. Let's go back over to the heat map here and see what's going on. Looks like we got a block at like 605. All right, we're at the potential bounce spot on ES. So a little extended to the downside right now. I might play this back up into 710. Probably need to punch it though if I'm gonna do it. See if we can get one more push down here. All right, 54.30 is not holding on ES right now. Gotta sit on my hands. Because I can't short down here either. It's kind of in no man's land. Oh man, nothing to do. Chase, what happened to Annan? He decided he didn't want to be a part of the community. That's all. Yeah, he just didn't want to be a part of it. Which is fine. That's his choice. Really all we had was Chase right now is just a test of these lows, the previous candle lows over here. And it rejected. So a quote unquote wick test. I'm thinking we see more downside. But you still got this big block down here at 605. So I'm thinking that's probably where we're heading. This would be a nasty spot for it to reverse. You know, we got weekly point of control here at 650. Well, it's now at 660. In order for me to get long, though, Chase, at this point, you would need to see a reclaim and hold above a level. You know, or a hold of support lower. You're kind of in a chop zone right now where you could just get chopped up. So I would need to see back above. Really, I'd want to see a holding above 730 for the move back up into 840, 850. But that could take the rest of the day in order to do that. The moves up are slow. They're just slow and grindy. The moves down are where the quick money is. I mean, on the flip side, if we come back up here and test 710, 730 and reject, I wouldn't mind a short back down. Oh, you're a Bucks fan, Chase? Yeah, Baker Mayfield is just so hit or miss. I don't know. Like, when he's on fire, he's on fire. But he's just so inconsistent. Oh, your defense is banged up? I mean, put it this way. Matthew Stafford threw for like almost 400 yards on our defense last week. So, I mean, you have a shot. It should be a good game. Oh, your whole defensive backfield is banged up? Your whole secondary is banged up? I mean, with the Lions, no lead is safe. Nice, Phoenix. Enjoy your food. Nimkins, quit betting on the Lions, brother. Yeah, Chase, stay away from NFL spreads if you're betting on NFL games. Those Vegas lines are the bookies are way too good. Like, it's amazing how accurate they are. Especially with NFL games. Like, they are conspiracy theory good with the NFL games. Oh, nice. Yeah. Have a good time in Vegas. Well, guys, we have found a chop zone. All right. Nice, Sanders. You're still holding that? Yeah, there's no reason to let go of it just yet. That's a big trade. That's probably your biggest trade, huh? Yeah, I don't know where. Let's look. I mean, safe exit's probably here. You know, 590-ish. But this is pretty heavy. So I don't know. I don't know. I mean, they might make a run at 18.4 today. 18.380. Somewhere around there. We might get this 650 retest here. 660. Retest weekly point of control for the move back down. If we don't get that first and we flush to 600, I'll be looking for a bounce. All right. I might try something here. Well, right idea. It was just 10 points off. Shoot, not even 10 points off. Like 7 points away. Yeah, I don't like it anymore. Yeah, yeah, Mason, you were seeing the same thing I was, weren't you? Yeah, I don't know if I like it anymore. I liked the initial push, but it feels like if we come back down there, we probably sweep, and probably sweep pretty hard. Yeah, I was just looking for that initial reaction. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this. Yeah, I mean, I'm just looking for a bounce, like a reaction level at this point. You've already missed any good short opportunity, unless you were short from the top like Scott. I think engaging in a short position here is kind of risky because you have all this that you're trading into at this point. Yeah, I'm thinking about it, Mason. I'm thinking about limit order at 580. Actually, yeah. Because there's a lot of red down. You're going to see relief at some point. Let's do something like this. I'll put a stop here at 71. DJ, yeah. Yeah, I'm not good at shorting bottoms. And then we'll target like 650, just shy of 650. Well, the 600 bounce was good for 10 points. Counting. $15 points. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Phil caused the flush. Oh, come on. Don't you do this. Come on. Don't you do this. Come on, NQ, flush it. Come get me. Oh, unbelievable. I swear, guys, if 600 holds here. There we go. Alright, I'm long. Let's see if it continues to flush here. Probably get stopped out. Or if I can get a reaction. No reaction yet. I don't know if I like it. There we go. Oh, it didn't let me put my stop in? Are you kidding me? Yeah, I don't like it. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? All right, I'm out. I'm not taking that. Oh, I should have held. Of course, it lets me put it in right before it rips, right? Of course. Of course it lets me put it in right before it rips. Well, guys, I am up $205 on the day. So far. Let's see what's going on here. All right, so it's looking like this is probably where we're heading, 520. 520 to 500. I do expect some sort of reversal going into, or profit taking on the short side going into London close, which is in 45 minutes roughly. But I'm thinking we probably sweep down to here. I'll be right back, guys. I gotta take a call. All right, guys. I got the flooring guys showing up here shortly, so I'm probably going to end the stream there. I will try to stream tomorrow as well. I'm going to try to get this Combine Pass today. But I will be hanging out in the Discord with you guys later. Enjoy the rest of your day. Trade safe. Stay patient. And I will see you all tomorrow at 9:20 a.m. Eastern. Peace.